NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 2 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Orland Park, moving east at 70 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Schererville, Lansing, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, Park Forest, Alhip, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, and Lamont. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Lovetto basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.